Hey, what is up YouTube? How's it going, y'all? Sparky Marky Mark here, back to do a review and unboxing for 3 unique pieces which came out during the year of 2016, which would be technically in the summer of 2016, and that would be part of the GAX100 series, which is the GAX series to be the fact. And they did release in variation colors and looks. One of them was for the information, which I'll get to that in another review and unboxing video. The ones you're gonna see are very, very closely with each other. Especially there's a camel red one version of these, and they did various colors and designs in the look of it. The GAX100 series is a great piece, and it's a thermo data watch. When I say thermo, take a look at this picture here. Of course, hold on, and it's a G-LIDE, of course. But take a look a little further on this one, and I believe I'm gonna have to look at another photo or a zoom. Here it is. This will be good enough. Thermometer. That's right, folks. And these have trigraphs, temperature sensor to tell you it's high or low. These are great watches to like wear during temperature times. And these are not solar atomics. Let's be clear on that. They're not solar, but they're straight battery power, and it's great, of course. And again, this was released around the time of movies coming out that summer, but I'm not a big fan of Captain America 3 Civil War. Let's be clear on that, boys and girls. And I got one of these pieces throughout the years, of course, but the main ones are going to be seen very closely. And you can buy them still at Amazon or other places, of course. And then even you can look back at the early days of Casio temperature sensor watches, going back to like about 30 years, but now you're going back to like 40 years in the late 80s with temperature sensor ones, and then in the 90s it got crazier. G-Shock got thermal data as well, and then now we have thermometers and triple sensor watches, and now we have these in 2016, and it was a crazy year for G-Shock, no lie there. So with that, let's take a look at what we're going to be reviewing. Now here you have the first 3. The other one is in a stand, so I'm going to show that in a moment as well, along with these 3 that you're about to see. And now let's see which is the right number. Of course, that's right, the right number. And here it is. This is about one of them. So with that, let's take a look at what we're about to open. Whoa, power of illusions there, dudes. Now here they are in their cans. Now, how am I gonna open this in front of you? Voila, here they all are. And the module numbers, they have pretty quite in common. Module numbers 5484, 5485. So each one has their own variation of their own colors. So with that, let's play some music for 2016, of course. That's right, folks, 2016. All right, y'all. Let's take a look at the very first one, of course. So let's take a look at the white one. And let's be clear, guys, we're not talking about Nazi colors. No, not white supremacists. No. So here, ignore that. So module number 5484, GAX100A-7. This is the white version. That's what I'm gonna stick with. I mean, look at it. It's like bright snow white is what you're looking at. Let's take a look at this. Oh, that's not even the right time. Heck, let's take a look. The tide, which is about gonna happen tonight, of course, or obviously, about 6 a.m. It's about tide. Stopwatch, my favorite of them all, the countdown timer. The timer, folks. That's right. And we go back to UTC. And now we have For alarms, let's check it out, the alarms. 1, 2, 3, 4, snooze, signal, back to your alarm 1. And now we're back to this one. And now let's take a look at this. Because right here, let me there we go. That's it. Thermometer, folks. I see thermometer written right there. All right, folks. Thermometer, folks. That's what you're seeing here in this here video. Let's take a look at the temperature. And you see that right there? It's like indicating the temperature. Right now it's 21.8 Celsius. That's right. And it goes back to your screen when you see that indicator going like that when you press there. So yeah, let's see right here. Oh, and what's this, folks? Module number 5484. That's right. And let's see the buckle. It says made in Thailand. I don't know if you can read it there, folks. Or to see the adjusting when you have things in the background. So yeah, and this kind of strap number is a 8490021 PUR strap. But can you tell reading it? Pause it very carefully, folks, if you could. Double buckle, that's how it is. I love me some double buckles. So yeah, but of course we're in March. Let me know how's March so far for you guys. Next month is my B-Day. April, y'all, is coming. Right now we're in March, so St. Patrick's Day is coming, or some people will call it St. Patty's Day. That's right, folks. That's what it is. It is coming, of course. And with that, let's take a look at the green version. Heck, because it's March. Perhaps. Let's take a look, folks. Hey, wait a minute. Let's play some music. Now let's take a look at the green version. Negative display. The first one was positive display. This is negative display. I didn't show you light on these, so I'll show it to you pretty soon. So yeah, here you have the same detail, but you can't even tell. It's very, very negative. There we go. So let's take a look carefully, folks. Tide. Whoa, that's pretty cool. Stopwatch, my favorite, the countdown timer. And now we have UTC. You have your alarms, which you already know what's on the other ones, and the dates. Let's take a look at the temperature here. You can see that thing indicating? And now we have the temperature. 21.9, wow, Celsius. 21.9 Celsius degrees. Cool. And it's the same thing on the buckle. Wow, this is a steel buckle, while the other one was just plain white and double. Well, this is a single buckle. And let's see the number, but it is kind of a wavy green, so it's a it's a 810 EJ116 PUR. Here we go, folks. There we go. And let's take a look. G-Shock on the buckle. And Casio China. But this is real, folks. This is not a counterfeit version. GAX100MB-3A. That's what it is, folks. Let's take a look at the light on this one. This is what you're gonna get, folks. Again, these are irresistible collector's piece. All right, let's go on the next one. The blue. And I'll show you last on the video for this one. This is like a summer color, folks. That's right, a summer color. And this one would happen to be the GAX100MA-2A 5484. And let's take a look at the previous one. It's the 5485 on this one for the green version. Dun, 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 dun. you guys want to know about the music, it's silent partner with the song called I Wear Headphones. Even though you don't hear no lyrics, it's just the score music. So let's take a look at this one as well. Now, this is like a blue positive display. And alrighty. My favorite, the timer. You already saw time, and then, tide, UTC. And you have your alarms, which you already know is on the previous, and the date. Let's see the thermal data. You see it right there? 21.5 Celsius. Wow, pretty cool. Right now it's on low. This one's on that. So this one is like on the middle sections, and this one's on low as well. I'll get to that in a moment after I show all these. So yeah, and let's take a look. Yeah, let's take a look. Won't hurt. Nah, won't hurt. Let's take a look. And it is a G-LIDE, let's be clear, folks. Or there beads a little glossy, a little bit of plastic, little bit of different on the white one. And it's the same thing. Oh, but this one's different, I would say. No, it's the same. 810 AJ216. PUR, folks. And 5484, the module number. Let's take a look at the buckle. Again, Casio, China. All right, let's take a look at the next one. Last but not least, the red. Look at it. It's like a white wine color. You guys know what a white wine is. And they're G-LIDEs, let's be clear on this. This one is the GAX100MB-4A. Letter A, folks. Now let's take a look at the functions first. This one's negative display, so we're going to look at it this angle. The tide at 6 a.m. Today's date. And then you have your stopwatch, like they always do. My personal favorite, the countdown timer. UTC. Alarms, snooze, you got that. And now we're back to our home screen. And it's in the middle, the arrow pointing. Let's see the temperature. This one reads 21.4 Celsius. Pretty cool, if I do say so. Voila, we're back. And let's see the light on these. Whoa, folks, do you like that? Let me know, folks, if you dig it. Can you dig it? Oh, let's see the band. 810 EJ116 is the band number if you're interested in getting one of these, folks. And no metal buckles on these, so you're pretty cool on that. Let's take a look on this one. Let's take a look on this. Whoa. Yep. Gotta love it, dudes. Gotta love them all. There we go, folks. Dun, 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 dun. So yeah, shouts to the watch collectors, the physical media collectors, video game collectors, card collectors, comic book collectors, other collectors out there, especially toy collectors as well, from anything, and memorabilias. Whew. And more things will be coming pretty soon. Subscribe to my channel. Follow the link in the description box down below. I mean down below, folks. So, yeah. And like my videos, comment as well. Subscribe to be notified of any new uploads coming pretty soon. So anyways, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off, y'all. Take care. God bless you. Catch you all soon and later.